see that tiny camera right there? One day you're going to need to replace it. And I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the door. Oh my God. Now we take that out. You ready for this? Oh. Look, 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 look. I don't think I need any more tools. This is great. You ready? Pull, pull, pull. Look. No tools required. Hung up right there. See him? He doesn't want to give. I'm going to get him. There you go. And ta-da. And with a 10 mil hiding right there, if you can focus. See him? And another one right in there somewhere. See him? And I think we're going to take those two out as well. Let's see. Yes, sirree. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 10 mils. All of them right there. And because this car is brand spanky new at the time, this is a 24, I use this to get behind these. Now, if your car is older, which it probably is, or older in age, I would have you squeeze from this side. Okay, squeeze from this side, or grab it with something like this. But me, because I got it as it's new, pop, pop, done. And camera being 2 more 10 mils. So that is your part number. And let's take it out, make sure it's the right way. Oh, and to get to those bolts, you need an extension. These two guys right here. The door's so long on this side, you need an extension up through that hole. Okay, 2 10 mils are out. Now, what these puppies do, you ready for this? There's 2 wings on this. You see this little guy? There's a wing. Let me get it out and I'm going to show you. You have to squeeze them so the camera will pop out. So let's unplug it and get these out of our way and squeeze these puppies. And that is what I mean. 2 little wings, one going downward like a forward slash and backslash. That's what you got to do. Squeeze with such and push upward from inside. Do not try to grab this thing and pull it out. You're going to break the camera. I mean, it might be already broken. The broken one you can do, but not the new one. This is brand new. And I'm going to put it right back as if we never touched it. So there you go. Listen, it'll snap in. You see? Snaps in. So put 10 mils back. Everything just lines up and snaps right back up. So there you have it. Put all 10 mils back and moving on. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.